Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we are doing the SONOS Arc, and we have our SONOS Arc mount and our SONOS Arc. So if we take a look back here, it gives you these little things to screw in and just sit right on this little mount. And this one has Dolby Atmos enabled speakers, so we want to place it 5 inches below the bottom of the TV. That way we don't interfere with the Atmos up-firing speakers. Stay tuned and we'll show you more as we move along.
Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice. We're back here with the SONOS Arc and the 85-inch Sony TV that we have here. We have our 5 inches between our sound bar, so our Atmos speakers will go out in front of it and hit the ceiling to come back to you. This mount is pretty cool, so if you take a look at it, I'll pull it off and you can kind of see it.
Open laptop.
Just kind of goes like that.
Look for
And then you
free.
line up the little
It's
things.
easy to take a look on Our Time, the fastest growing dating site
Just
for
fits
people
right
over
in.
50.
And if you got your bracket level, we know this is going to be level. And you can move it. Let's say if it was a little unlevel, you can adjust it to where it's unlevel. So, stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe down below. And this is the SONOS Arc. Have a great choice day.